In this video, we will discuss sample question paper for the year 2024-25 of Class 12 Mathematics as released by CBSE Board. We will discuss full solution in detail of questions of Section B, which comprises 5 very short answer type questions of 2 marks each. So Section B can give you maximum 10 marks. Hello friends, welcome to channel Number Collage. This channel is dedicated to videos on a wide range of mathematical concepts and problems related to them, ranging from high school math to engineering math. Effort has been made to explain the concepts through basic mathematical ideas in a simple English. Hope you will like my effort. Thank you. Question number 21. If cot inverse of 3x plus 5 is greater than pi by 4, then we have to find the range of the values of x. We have cot inverse 3x plus 5 greater than pi by 4, but cot inverse 1 is pi by 4. So we write cot inverse 3x plus 5 greater than cot inverse 1, which implies 3x plus 5 greater than 1. But since d by dx of cot inverse x is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square, which is negative for any real value of x. Hence, function cot inverse x or cot inverse 3x plus 5 is strictly decreasing. Therefore, statement 1 we have to write as 3x plus 5 less than 1, 3x less than 1 minus 5 minus 4, and x less than minus 4 upon 3. Therefore, the range for the given function is open interval minus infinity to open interval minus 4 upon 3. So this is the range of the values of x. Marginal cost is the additional cost incurred by producing one more unit of a good. Marginal cost is calculated by taking the derivative of the total cost function. So we have the formula marginal cost function of x equals derivative of cost function c dash of x. The derivative of the cost function c dash of x tells us how much the total cost will change if you produce one more unit at a given production level. Now we have the cost function given where x represents items produced. Marginal cost can be obtained by differentiating cost function c of x. That will be marginal cost of x equals c dash of x, that will be 3 into x square plus 2 into x plus 5, which is 0.00039 x square plus 0.004 x plus 5, and the marginal cost for x equals 150 items will be c dash of 150 0.00039 into 150 square plus 0.004 into 150 plus 5 gives marginal cost rupees 14.375 rupees. Question number 23. We have to find derivative of tan inverse x with respect to log x, where x belongs to open interval 1 to infinity. We will assume y equals tan inverse x so that dy by dx will be 1 upon 1 plus x square, and we will assume z equals log x so that dz by dx will be 1 upon x. Here y is a function of x and z is also a function of x, which means y and z are functions of the same variable x known as parameter. So this is a case of parametric functions, and in case of parametric function, derivative of y with respect to z will be dy by dz equals dy by dx upon dz by dx, which is 1 upon 1 plus x square upon 1 upon x, that will be x upon 1 plus x square. So we have derivative of tan inverse x with respect to log x, that is dy by dz equals x upon 1 plus x square. Question number 23b, optional question. Differentiate the following function with respect to x, and the function is cos x to the power of x, where x belongs to open interval 0 to pi by 2. We will assume cos x to the power x to be y, and then we will take logs on both sides, so we get log y equals x log of cos x according to the rules of logarithm. Now we will differentiate with respect to x. 1 upon y dy by dx equals, here we will use product rule of differentiation. First function x into derivative of second, that is derivative of log of cos x. It will be 1 upon cos x into derivative of cos x, which is minus sin x, plus second function log of cos x into derivative of first, that is derivative of x, which is 1. So we get dy by dx equals y into bracket minus x tan x plus log of cos x, that finally will be dy by dx equals cos x to the power x into log of cos x minus x tan x. Question number 24a. If vectors a bar, b bar and c bar are such that b bar plus lambda c bar is perpendicular to a bar, we have to find the value of lambda. First, let us find out b bar plus lambda c bar, which is b bar plus lambda times c bar, which will be 3 lambda minus 1 I cap plus lambda plus 2 j cap plus k cap. Now b bar plus lambda c bar is perpendicular to a bar, therefore their dot product will be 0. So b bar plus lambda c bar dot a bar is 0. b bar plus lambda c bar dot a bar is 0. So 2 times 3 lambda minus 1 plus 2 times lambda plus 2 plus 3 into 1 3 equals 0. 6 lambda plus 2 lambda 8 lambda minus 2 plus 4 plus 3 equals 0. 8 lambda equals minus 5. Lambda equals minus 5 upon 8. Question number 24b. It is optional question. Or a person standing at origin is watching an aeroplane which is at the coordinate point A403. At the same time he saw a bird at the coordinate point B001. We have to find the angle which vector BA bar makes with the x, y and z axis. Vector BA bar will be OA bar minus OB bar 4 I cap plus 3 k cap minus k cap, which is 4 I cap plus 2 k cap. Now unit vector in the direction of BA bar will be BA cap, that will be 4 upon square root 4 square plus 2 square root 20 I cap plus 2 upon square root 20 k cap, that will be 4 upon 2 root 5 I cap plus 2 upon 2 root 5 k cap, which will be 2 upon root 5 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 1 upon root 5 k cap. Here 2 upon root 5, 0 and 1 upon root 5 are direction cosines L, M and N. So the angle made by BA bar with x-axis will be cos inverse 2 upon root 5 with y-axis cos inverse 0, which is pi by 2, and with z-axis cos inverse 1 upon root 5. So this is the answer. Question number 25. The two co-initial adjacent sides of a parallelogram are 2 I cap minus 4 j cap minus 5 k cap and 2 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. We have to find its diagonals and use these diagonals to find area of the parallelogram. We will name this first vector as a bar and the second vector b bar, so that by parallelogram law of vectors we will get diagonal d1 bar as a bar plus b bar and diagonal d2 bar equals a bar minus b bar. This is d2 bar. So d1 bar is a bar plus b bar, which becomes 4 I cap minus 2 j cap minus 2 k cap. Similarly, diagonal d2 bar will be a bar minus b bar, which equals 0 I cap minus 6 j cap minus 8 k cap. Now area of parallelogram is half mod d1 bar cross d2 bar, which is half determinant ijk 4 minus 2 minus 2, 0 minus 6 minus 8, which is half I cap into 16 minus 12 minus j cap into minus 32 plus k cap into minus 24, which is half into 4 I cap plus 32 j cap minus 24 k cap. So area of parallelogram will be 2 I cap plus 16 j cap minus 12 k cap, or 2 into I cap plus 8 j cap minus 6 k cap, and its magnitude will be this 2 times square root of 1 plus 64 plus 36, that is 2 into square root 101 square units. So that's the answer. Friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Until then, keep watching Number Collage. Thank you.